Okay, friends, so here we are at an engagement session today. We have a very specific goal. This is not like your light in your engagement session, and thank goodness, because it's pouring rain outside here in New Jersey. This client specifically wanted this very trendy direct flash look in a dark bar environment. And what's nice is the Shadowbrook has this gorgeous dark bar that's very similar to the engagement style inspiration photos that she sent me. The funny thing is, about 15 minutes ago, she called me and she said, Vanessa, we live in White Plains, New York, but my dress was in New Jersey at my parents' house. I just picked it up this morning and didn't have time to steam it. We're already late, but you can just Photoshop out all the wrinkles, right? A couple of months ago, Evoto released their de-wrinkling in that AI retouching program, and I know I'm going to be able to de-wrinkle that dress in like one click. So anyway, let's go.
Hey, welcome to my home.
Nice to meet you.
How are you doing? Nice to meet you.
Thank you. A mad dash.
Don't worry about it. You look awesome. Let me see.
Thank you. It's so wrinkly.
Don't worry.
But I love it.
Let's come in here. So the first spot I'm going to put you guys is right here. That's really good. Yeah, so look towards each other. Going for a kiss. Ah, love it. I know, it's perfect. So good. And then Michael, look towards Emily. And then lean your heads in together there. Yeah, I love how you grabbed his head like that. I love that. That looks so good. I would love one here. That looks awesome. Yep, keep looking at each other. I like the handholds, yeah. I love this. Look at me here. And then very stoic. So don't smile, just kind of relax your face. Good. And Emily, look up that way. Good, good. And look at each other. Oh, love this. So, okay, I just want to do one more in this outfit and then I'm gonna have you change. Go ahead and stand up. I want to do that really cute one where you're like over the shoulder.
Oh yeah.
He's looking at you.
Okay.
Where he should be looking, right? So good. And get closer. Nice. And look at each other. That's fun. Just gonna change my lens. Stay right there. Michael, eyes down like you're looking at her eyelashes. And then Emily, look out that way. And then move your eyes here. Yeah. And then eyes to me, Emily. Perfect. Okay, go ahead and change. Well, you're here by yourself.
Yeah.
Let's do a natural light one. You just like kind of come right here. Ooh, I'm just gonna change my lens because I can. Okay, look to your left again. And then move all your hair to the right. So like clear your, yes. If you stand like right here and just like you're picking up, kind of looking down.
Oh, my hair goes
Yeah, it just cascades so nicely. And then we see like collarbone detail. Yeah, that's perfect. Wow, everything is so pretty. Stay there. That looks really pretty, like really dainty and fun. And then look over towards me. Cute. Ah, love this. That is perfect. It's just your hand. Awesome. Cool.
Me and you, nice and wrinkly.
Ready? Let's go. All right, let's do the bar one because we haven't done that. That looks really good. Yeah, lean in, like really whisper in his ear, like, why aren't you paying attention to me? I'm here. And then Michael, turn towards her a little. Give her a little affection. Yeah, there we go. Love that. This is so great. I just want to get this with one other lens, but lean in again there. And then Michael, look at me. That looks great. Perfect. Let me switch.
Great.
Okay, same thing, one more time. Right there. That's it. Different lenses do different things, so gotta play with them all. Good. Then look towards each other a little. That is awesome. And then want to get the one where you have like you're seated with like your legs over him.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, let's do that over here and try to like Emily lean towards him more. Yeah, like grab his lapel, his collar there, like really bring him in. Yes. Love that. That is so good. Good. And then bring him in for a kiss. Like pull his collar, like bring him in there. Yes. One more real quick, just standing. So when you turn in towards him, do more like a over the shoulder. Yes, exactly. Yes. Oh, so good. Right there. Just look at each other for one. Go for a kiss, pull them in towards you. Yes, I love that. Stay there. And then nose into her cheek. Good, and going for a kiss there. This is the spot. And then just one more. I'm gonna get him in there with your ring. Yeah, wrap your left hand on top. Yep. Perfect, stay right there. Crisscross your wrist a little more.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it, yep, right there. And then grab the head, right there, yes, exactly. Okay, all right, 10:20, you're perfect.
Oh my God.
We got it,
yes. Amazing.
On the dot.
Awesome.
I think we did it, 20 minutes. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Let's go at it.
Oh man, if this photo shoot was 2 months ago, I would have had a very different answer to my bride when she called me up telling me that her dress was wrinkled to death. It absolutely was, and I can't even think about the amount of hours I would have wasted retouching her dress and taking out all the wrinkles. Now, I can do it in a second here in Evoto, in addition to retouching skin, because she did tell me they were out late last night. So I was able to basically take all of that away. Now, I will tell you, I don't edit every single photo for them in this manner, like retouching this extensively. I edit everything just in Lightroom for color adjustments and making it look like my style. And then anything that they put into their album, as well as print through me, that is when I include complimentary retouching. Yes, I do not charge my clients for anything that I can run through Evoto, but I'm also not going to do it to every single photo, because why spend time or money retouching a photo that they don't even love? So that's my process typically. However, this is a little bit different for this one because I wanted to show her exactly how I could retouch the wrinkles out of the dress. I edited these photos on spec basically, and actually texted them to her the next day so she could have a little preview, but also see what the final photos would look like without the wrinkles in the dress, because there were definitely a lot and it's a little jarring, and I didn't want her looking at the photos hopelessly thinking that they were ruined because of the dress. So I wanted to show her right off the bat a handful of photos fully retouched so she could understand that her final photos would look that way. Anyway, let me know what you think. Hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. Oh, and of course, we've got 30 free credits for you for anyone who has not tried Evoto yet. You'll be hooked the second you do. See you around.